Hi guys, Raven here, and I'm going to be doing a quick haul, and I'm also going to be telling you a secret about Poshmark that you might not know that can save you hundreds of seconds in sharing your closet and others. So if you're ready for that information, let's go. So I went to I got these items from my local Salvation Army. They were having a 50% off everything in the store sale. I love when they have this sale because my local Salvation Army will, if they get something from that might be have the tags on it or be a better brand in their eyes, they price it up, kind of like a boutique item. Like I know some they do the same thing. So my Salvation Army does, but they will throw out a 50% off sale on anything, and I was just passing by and I was like, let me see what they have, and I didn't get much, but I think I got some good stuff. So here we go. First item that I found was this Chico's maxi dress, and I'm gonna have to stand up to show it. Okay, yeah, the Chico's maxi dress. It's cotton, I believe. Yeah, and it is a size 3. So this is one of the first things I saw when I went in. It's a Zara knit sweater. What size is this? It's a medium. It is so cute. Stand up. It has like leather, full leather detail. If you can see that. A little bit of piling in the back, but not much. And I think this is a Columbia sweatshirt. I think you should see it already. There we go. And that was also an orange tag. I'm going to rush through this haul so I can tell you my little secret hack and how I share my Poshmark closet so fast. Okay, another Chico's, and this one was also 75% off. It is a size 2. Nice little basic black blouse. Okay. Alright, I'm either standing up or I'm like just panning everything down. Like, there we go. Okay. This is a loft medium blouse, also 75% off. They had so many like nicer items that was 75% off today. They loft blouse. What's your basic? Purplish. This is a 7 top. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like some, there we go, beading detail in there. And again, Chico's Travelers, always a good sale. And some of, I don't know if you know, I do sell both on Poshmark and eBay. Some of these will go in my Poshmark closet and some will go straight to eBay. Chico's Travelers goes straight to eBay. But yeah, I take it. This is a Silence and Noise, and it's a dress. It was with the shirts, but he did ring it up as a dress. It was 75% off. Things like dresses though, when they used to do dollar tags, were better because it would have just been $1, but it was not just $1 yesterday, but it was still cheaper. And it was a size, what, girl? Extra small. She's almost done because I didn't get much yesterday. I had my youngest two, which are my twins, with me yesterday shopping, and they weren't crying, but they didn't want to be there. So you could tell like they were like, why are we here? We don't want to be here. Hurry up. So they weren't like, I don't know. This is the Anthropologie tag. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Anthropologie, I've said this before in another video. You would look at the oh, it's cut out, the number. I want to say it, then it starts with a 6. Sorry. But yeah, one of my other hauls, I also had an Anthropologie piece, and they all have the same RN number. So that's how you know if something's Anthropologie. But you can go on like Pinterest or Google, because everything is an Anthropologie that looks like a weird tag. I've learned that experience. Okay, and this right here, this is Lauren Conrad. I thought this was so cute. It is a floral blazer. Look at that. That is so pretty. Yeah, so I got that. And all this was either 50% off or 75% off. the same. So this is a Torrid swim bottom. This is one of the items that were marked up in their store, but they put it at 50% off, so I bought it. They only have the bottoms. Here's another Torrid swim bottom, and these are actually new and they have the liner in them. Most of them have the liner in them. Also Torrid. This has the mesh on the side. So cute. Oh, guess what? I got 2 of those because they have more. I got a few of those. Oh, I got 3 of those. I think that was like my favorite look that they had. And these all have the lining in them. I don't think I showed this one yet. Yes, I did. I think this is all the styles that I got. So another Torrid piece. This one is a little bigger. Yeah, I 6. I got another. Like this style. I think this is so cute. Unfortunately, they didn't have the tops that matched these, so they're just bottoms. But I know people will just buy bottoms. Here's another one. I actually found this another part of the store. There's a blue. And I got 2 of the same. And then I got this is a Turk. It's a bathing suit. Very pretty design. There we go. Yeah, very cute. And I've actually found both pieces for this one. And it is a size, let me think. I think it's like a medium. It's a 6. I was right. Okay. So yeah. That is it for my haul. So now I can tell you my little secret. Okay, it might help you. So here we go. I'm gonna grab my phone and I'm gonna show you how I share my closet so fast and share other people's listings so fast. So from my cell phone, I think besides the cell phone, people always say like the cell phone is not the fastest way to share your closet. So yes, sharing on your cell phone is the fastest way to share your closet, and I'm going to show you why right now. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to your cell phone, and you're going to pull up Safari. You're going to pull up Safari on your cell phone, and okay, I have Poshmark. Let me show you. Here's but I have my Poshmark Closet is bookmarked on my phone, so I click it. It saves time there. Now when I bookmark mine to go straight to my closet, it's going to tell me to log in on the upper right corner, and it's going to put you on the regular feed. On the top right corner where your little face is or whatever you have, you're going to click that. On the very top, it's going to say view my closet. You're going to click that. And guess what you're going to do? You're going to start sharing. Okay, so you see that there? That's your, there's your closet. Okay, and you're going to click the share button. The share button is the button with the 2 arrows. You're going to click 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. I have sausage fingers, I will admit. The most annoying part about sharing like this is only that you might sometimes make a mistake and hit your name, but I promise you this is the fastest way to share your closet, especially when you're on the go. I know when I'm home, my first favorite way to share my closet is sharing it on the iPad. Second favorite is on using my laptop. I think I've used the actual app on the phone to share my closet like once. I was like, who can do this? It takes so much time. But when I'm like, especially during school time, when I'm picking up my kids, waiting for them to come out of school, I'll just pull up Safari, pull up my closet, and start sharing. I usually can share my whole closet while waiting for them, depending on what time I get there. And I have about I want to say 400 to 500 active listings, because they're not all active. Something else you can do, which I can show you, is you can filter it, and that also will make it, and go to availability and go to available. that'll also cut down, so you don't have to. You can either start at the bottom, which some people like to do. Starting at the bottom of your closet will make sure that your fresher items will wind up on top. If you start at the top, whatever's on the bottom will be on, whatever you share last is going to be on top. So when someone goes to your closet to share, they're going to share whatever you shared last. That's what's good, they're going to share. So it's like your top like 6 items. Some people say make it your more expensive items, some people say make it your more, I just kind of make it my more my newer items are on top. That's how I share my closet. But yeah, that's my little secret to how to share your Poshmark closet a little faster. So thank you for sticking around and watching this haul. I'll put all my information down in the description box. Please like and comment and subscribe to this video if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.